gonna wash my hands and then we'll start.
This is just something quick. I'm using jar sauce today. Normally I'd make my own Alfredo, but my boyfriend picked this up and surprised me because I love Alfredo. So I'm making that for dinner today. Okay, I'm gonna start by cutting my chicken. Chicken is so slimy.
I'm seasoning the chicken. That was a lot. Time to add the pasta. This part I always do too much, so. That's enough for 2 people. Maybe a little more. That's good. That was like the whole box. I don't know. It's probably gonna be a lot. In for 5 minutes. Oh shit. So I just made a mess entirely. Should not have put the lid back on it. Oh great. I don't know what to do.
I should probably never cook and vlog at the same time after seeing that. I'm adding my chicken to the pan.
So I got that under control. I just moved it off of that one because the water went crazy when I tried to put the lid on it. Whiskey. Hey, kitty. It smells so good. I'm so hungry. My chicken is done. I'm just waiting on the stupid noodles to cook. And then I can add the sauce. And it'll be done. Dinner is done. Now I have to make the plates. You're always burping in my videos. Eat. The table is set. And you have to tell me what you think. Okay, what do you think?
It's really good, baby.
Good. You're not lying. No, your face is full.
I'm eating it.
Good.
It was good.
It's not bad for jar sauce. I was worried. Normally I make it homemade, so.
That's spicy from the chicken, set it off.
Yeah, the whole pile of spice.